Kasi, wala, nandito ako sa bahay kasi di ba, yung pagkahiwalay natin eh.
Wow.
Pinasok sa, nandito ako sa bahay, hindi ako maalis, anong, oo, oo. Oo, oo.
Because they get some
Oo. Oo nga, pasyal na daw. Oo, pasyal.
Let me fix these chairs.
Oo.
This is what is toilet. There.
Hindi. Oo. Oo.
Yeah. Let me fix these stuff.
Oo, at saka, sila din, sabi nga ni Tessa, sabi sa akin, papunta kasi sabi ko yung tiger bomb ni Juliet, kasi tignan doon sa bed natin, hindi ka na tinulugan niya, sabi ko. Tapos, I'm on the way to San Fernando, sa Tulaw yun, sabi niya, kanina umaga. O, sabi ko na, ito nagtitek, sabi niya, bakit na raw siya, mag-usap daw kami.
Oh, what is this
Wala naman, hindi ko
place?
nakasama.
Oh, this one. Oh, hi. Welcome to the furniture stuff. I can't come. So, please just sit. And buy whatever you want. Come here, help me. I was hoping we had more lamps. Let's put this one over there. Where are all the accessories and costumes and some other stuff?
Papuntang church.
Yeah.
Papuntang church.
Where? I don't know, right? Just, it's upstairs. How do you know? Huh.
Oo.
Hi, welcome to beauty. Welcome to beauty and stuff. Welcome to beauty and costumes. Buy what you want. How may I help you? I was just gonna have some stuff. A few things. Ow! I didn't show it! Ow! That was an owl costume. Oh, okay. What else should I buy? What should I buy here? Oh, wow. I need this. Okay. How much? $2. Come on, I gotta be quick. Give me. How much was this one? $1.
Ulitin mo ulit kayo.
We're done!